of you are keeping in good health and that all of you are safe and happy at home. So just the other day, most of you must have celebrated the festival of Deepavali. So Deepavali is also known as the festival of lights. The lights dispel darkness. In the same way, we also have to dispel the darkness around us. And how do we do that? We can do that by helping one another, by sharing our things with one another, by being good to one another. We can dispel the darkness and bring a smile on the faces of people around us. So India is truly a rich country and we are proud of the rich and varied heritage. Isn't it? We have so many festivals. We celebrate so many festivals in our country. We also celebrate national festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day, etc. Along with this, there are also some special days like Father's Day, Mother's Day, Children's Day, etc. And there is one more day which everyone looks forward to. And that day is a special day for us. So which is that day? Yes, it's our birthday. And as children, you look forward to this day, isn't it? This day is a very special day for all of you. So, when a child is born, the parents take very good care of the newborn child. They provide all that the child needs. So, when you were born, even your parents took care of you. They provided all that you needed. Even now, they are taking care of you. They provide all your needs, isn't it? So, when you grow up and when your parents grow old, you have to take care of them. So, please remember this, children. Okay, now moving on to the lesson. In today's lesson, there are 4 children and these 4 children are preparing a birthday card for their teacher. So let's see who those children are. So one is Farah, Rita, Peter and Daljit. So these children are going to prepare a birthday card for their teacher. Now, it's not necessary to buy the card from the shop. You can easily make one at home. So, what are the things needed for making this card? You need a chart paper. It has to be folded like this. Chart paper or any colored paper will do. Any colored paper or even this paper also will do. Then you need crayons. You need crayons, pencil, paintbrush and colors. So if you have these things, you can easily make a card. Along with the card, you can also present some craft item. Now all of you have prepared a craft item using eggshells and also pistachios. So you have done it so beautifully. Even that can be presented to any of your dear ones. One of the students presented a pistachio art to his grandfather on the occasion of his 74th birthday. And I was really happy to hear that. So remember, it's not necessary to buy these things from the market. You can make with some waste material also. So now let's move on to the lesson. Now as I read, please listen to the pronunciation and then I want you to read the lesson. So the name of the lesson is Happy Birthday. Name of the lesson is Happy Birthday. Meet Farah, Daljit, Peter and Rita. So who are those 4 children? One is Daljit, then Peter, Rita and Farah. So these are the 4 children who are going to prepare a greeting card for their teacher. Meet Farah, Daljit, Peter and Rita. Now Farah says, "Hello, I am Farah. I have a new box of crayons." And Daljit says, "Hi, I am Daljit. I have 2 pencils and an eraser." Peter says, "Hi, I am Peter. I have colors and brushes." Now Rita says, "Hello, I am Rita. I have a sheet of pink paper." So look at the things these children have. They have crayons, eraser, brushes, pencils, colors and paper. This is what they need to make the greeting card. Now the children want to make a birthday card for their teacher. They have everything they need to make it. So all of them are getting together to prepare the card. Now what does Rita do? Rita folds the pink paper. And who draws? Peter. Peter draws with crayons. Farah colors with a brush. And Daljit writes with a pencil. They all write on the card, "Happy birthday, dear teacher." The card is very pretty. Farah, Daljit, Rita and Peter are happy because they have prepared that card. They will give the card to their teacher and they will sing, "Happy birthday to you." So when the teacher receives the card, won't she be happy? She will, because they have prepared it with love and without spending much. With simple material they have prepared the card. So I am going to read that lesson once again. Listen carefully. Meet Farah, Daljit, Peter and Rita. Farah: "Hello, I am Farah. I have a new box of crayons." Daljit: "Hi, I am Daljit. I have 2 pencils and an eraser." Peter says, "Hi, I am Peter. I have colors and brushes." Rita says, "Hello, I am Rita. I have a sheet of pink paper." Look at the things these children have. Crayons, eraser, brushes, pencils, colors, paper. The children want to make a birthday card for their teacher. They have everything they need to make it. Rita folds the pink paper. Peter draws with crayons. Farah colors with a brush. Daljit writes with a pencil. They all write on the card, "Happy birthday, dear teacher." So what do they write? Happy birthday, dear teacher. Happy birthday, dear teacher. So this is what they write on the card. The card is very pretty. Farah, Daljit, Rita and Peter are happy. They will give the card to their teacher and they will sing, "Happy birthday to you." So is that clear, children? Now let's see how to make this card. So before that I want to show you some of the cards which my students had given to me last year. Can you see? It's made with a simple paper and they have decorated it. Here's one more. Here's another one. So you don't need much things to prepare this card. This is done with the fingerprints. Here's one more. See how nicely they have decorated the card. So you take a paper, make 4 folds. If you are using a A4 size paper, then you need to fold it. First you make 1 fold. This is the second fold. Total 2 folds. And then you can draw something here, any flower or any design, and here you need to write happy birthday dear whoever it is. Okay. So other than this card, you can also present a pen stand. This is made with the tissue roll. Can you see it? And you have to stick some sequins. So this is the pen stand. You can also make a photo frame using pista shells. The shells are painted and stuck. I have one more greeting card here. This is made with a transparent paper, just 1 fold, and it is painted. So you can easily make a greeting card, or you can present any craft item to your loved ones and make them happy. So please read the lesson, and as usual you have to count the number of new words, write it on top, and then learn the spelling also. So you will write here on top number of new words, total number of new words, and learn the spelling. This way you will improve your vocabulary. Okay children, I'll see you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.